Let's talk about saving our work. Photoshop does not save automatically like something in Google Docs does. And a lot of the work you do in Photoshop, it takes a long time. So it's important that and it may be hard to remember or to do it exactly the same way over again. So it's important to remember to save often. File save. I've already saved this as a Photoshop document, so I just need to periodically go File Save, or I could hit Control S to save. Control S, and it will save. So if I want to print this, I can print directly from Photoshop, and that's fine. But let's say I want to send it to someone via email. Photoshop document is let's look at this. It's 292 megabytes. Okay, that is way too big to email. Okay, a Photoshop document this size, that is 5,700 pixels wide. Yeah, it's huge. It's too big to email. How do I get this to somebody? Well, I can save this as a JPEG. File, save as. File, save as. And go down here, save as type, JPEG. Okay, Photoshop collage. Let's just call it for email. Save it. Now, I would say if you're trying to email it, you want to get a different size. It's already going to be quite a bit smaller, just being a JPEG. You could hit OK, and you'd have a file size that was considerably smaller. Now this file is 7.4 meg. You could easily email that nowadays. If you want to make it the file size even smaller for some reason, maybe to upload to a blog and they have file size requirements, you could name it, change it to JPEG again. Okay. Email underscore small, save. You could adjust this quality, these image options. This is an amount, however much it's compressed. Okay, the greater the quality, the less compressed the image is. If you take it down to high, it will still look really good, especially at this resolution. It will still look really good to 8, but it will be much smaller. Hit OK, it saves. Email small, 2.6 meg. It's easier sometimes with these big Photoshop documents. You need to send them to somebody. You need to send an image that you've been working on for someone. You don't ever want to send them the Photoshop file. It's way too big. Okay, that's for you to work with. You need to send them a JPEG or another file type, perhaps a TIFF, perhaps a PNG, but really JPEG's probably the most common type. It's important to remember, always save the document as a Photoshop as well. Okay, that way you can go back and edit it. So like, I'm closing it, right? I've got all my layers and everything. I've got my history for now. However, when I close this, my history is gone. It's important to remember. Okay, I can reopen it. File, open, Photoshop collage. Everything's there. My smart objects are still there, but my history is gone.